Hello, I'm Ryan. I'm a bladesmith here at Acre Forge, and this is the Pattada Italian-inspired paring knife I've been working on. Pattadas have been around since about the 1700s in Sardinia, Italy, used as a general utility knife by sheepherders and everyday people. It has this outward sweeping blade with a wide belly that was inspired by the shape of a laurel leaf. And so this edge profile is really great at sinking into the materials you're cutting. Really awesome for peeling. I went with a really deep hollow grind on this one. So just super thin and cuts like a laser and doesn't get as much food stickage on the blade. The old school folding designs from Sardinia were really simple, rudimentary, didn't have a lock or anything. And also they would tend to put a ton of pins along the back of the handle for the backspacer. So this one, I put 4 pins on the handle, which you don't see very often, but is an homage to the original designs. I designed this one to be more culinary focused. So I went with a full tang instead of the old folding patterns, just to make it more easy to clean. It's a great kitchen utility knife, taken on a picnic as a companion, and it's awesome for a charcuterie board. You can find these as fast as I'm making them at acreforge.co.